In this video, I show you how to fix unable to start capture resource are being used by another app on Motorola phone or any Android phone. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps, scroll down, find out camera app, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Now tap on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now click on three dot. Now click on reset app preference. Now click on reset apps. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open camera app. Allow permission. Now capture video or photo. Now I hope that this method fix unable to start capture resource are being used by another app on Motorola phone or any Android phone problem. Forget to subscribe.